To relate two pieces together. So that's
Good. Anyone else? Any feedback, comments? Thank you. Yes.
Here's mine, and I'm trying to combine the concept of paranoia and loneliness. And the box is like someone inside the box is being lonely, and the eyes, you can see a lot of eyes in my kind of like drawing. So the eyes is like the victim is being looked and controlled by the people or someone who they imagine. And the hand is outside the box is trying to control him.
Where is the hand?
Like this too. So it looks weird.
Up there and there.
The eyes is they feel the guy inside the box is feeling like being watched by someone. It might be someone they imagine it's not actually exist. Yeah. More like a thought of victims.
The hands and the eyes make me think of something else. I'm curious if other people see how I saw it when I first looked at it. Any interpretations of what other things other than like hands or like the blue section eyes might have come to mind for anybody else? I'm curious if anyone else had a similar interpretation response as I did. What else might you see there when looking at those shapes and stuff? Anyone? Pardon? Bombs, yeah. I thought of that too. And something else came to mind, completely unrelated to bombs for me. Anyone else? Professor Barrie.
To look at it again, hear what the statement was before.
So he has a person in the center, eyes all around it, paranoia, and those are hands in the kind of upper left and lower right, like in the pink areas.
Something else is in control. And this small little creature down here that has nothing.
Actually, I was going to ask a question about that, but I was hoping someone else would too. But it's interesting how the size of the person you've depicted makes me think of like a baby, or like a toddler as opposed to like a grown person. So it's interesting, and something else interesting to me here. What's this?
Spider.
A spider.
I didn't actually draw that.
You didn't draw that. Someone else drew that.
Yeah.
I see. I'll just mention what these hands. They look like fish to me. Aside from like rockets or missiles or military type things. Artichoke stalks. That's good. What I see as like a baby also makes me think of this, one of the most famous sculptures in Western art history. Is the Venus? It's called the Venus of Milo. What's that really ancient, like thousands of years old? This figurine of a woman.
They're used as not funerary, but as
like for birth.
Art Blair. They were allowed. They had these figures, very small figures, and they would carry them with them and place them in the ground, and probably had some kind of strong relationship to these things because they are movable forms of, if you want to, I don't know if it was religious, but movable forms of like relating to their deities or to the female form.
Right, I was thinking of the female form
like the female
in terms of to help like procreation and birth and all that. So
preventing it sort of.
so helpless.
Pardon?
I want to say so helpless.
So what?
That person is so helpless.
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 Looks helpless to you? It's good.
Not as a victim.
Who's did the white? Yes.
I didn't actually felt much when I drew it.
You didn't think much when you drew it? I understand that. People always ask me what's my art all about? I say I just did it. Then you have to interpret it afterwards.
I know it's grief, but
it's grief.
Yeah, and
that's
she's
good.
Actually crying, and it's the tear ocean, and
say it again.
The ocean of tear.
The ocean, is that in the foreground?
Yeah, kind of. Something.
Kind of. What are the yellow forms there?
They're actually the maple leaf.
I probably didn't. Did anyone hear that? Maple leaves. She said. I asked about the yellow forms. Maple leaves.
Because like fall is autumn is like a kind of sorrow season.
The leaves falling brings to mind sorrow for you. Uh-huh.
That's all I thought.
Uh-huh. Oh, good. She does look sad to me. Sad and alone. In terms of just the hint of the facial features and the hair kind of wind. Comments? Anybody? What?
No, I saw that one.
What? Please. It's okay.
No, I saw the Chinese word, so I...
What's the Chinese word? Hope it's nothing nasty.
No. This one's not. That one.
There's a nasty word there? I have to cover my ears?
No, it's not nasty. Just
It's not nasty? It's funny. Where's the word?
over there.
In the circle.
Way over there? And what does it say? Can you translate it?
Got no girlfriend.
I'll turn the camera.